Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make chicken kolumbu. So I have got half kg of country chicken. So before making chicken kolumbu, since it is country chicken, just pressure cook this country chicken for one whistle. Then we can make chicken kolumbu. So now I will show you the ingredients what all needed to make chicken kolumbu. Just we can make chicken kolumbu with very simple ingredients. Come, let's go into the video now. This is half kg country chicken. Sambar powder, salt, cooking oil, fennel seeds, 3 tomato, 2 big onion, garlic, ginger. In the cooker, add chicken, add turmeric powder, pour water. Now pressure cook this chicken for one whistle. In a mixie jar, add 1.5 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Add ginger garlic. Then add 2 big onion and 2 tomato. Grind it nicely as a paste. Now on the stove, heat the kadai, pour 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil, grease it. Once the oil is ready, add 1 chopped big onion, saute it well, and then add sliced tomato, saute that also well. Then add tomato onion paste which you grinded. Add sambar powder, salt, turmeric. I have added 1.5 tablespoon of sambar powder in it. Salt as per your taste. Saute it well. Now add the cooked chicken and that water. Allow it to get cooked for at least 15 minutes. Close it with the lid. Now country chicken kolumbu is ready. This is a lunch recipe. You can even eat it for roti also.